Ladies and gentlemen.
Are you going to count? Are you going to time it?
We're not going to time it.
We're not going to time it. It's a race. Okay, here we go. Countdown. 19 crawfish at Dempsey's. On your mark. Set. Go! Go!
You had it in your hand before you even started.
Already bitching. Look at her.
Look at the technique.
You're not even taking your bodies out.
Look at Rachel. She's distracting with the mouth.
Come on.
Come on.
Dude, this one's dead. I'm not eating that.
I still finished before you.
Don't call it Matt. Call Thomas. What?
All right. We look like we're going good. We're at 50 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 50 seconds.
Hey, don't support this. Don't support that shit. Give me that.
Oh, shit. I thought I had you beat by a lot more than that.
A minute 15 on the clock. John is the winner. What up?
By 4.5.
So I beat you by a fourth.
You did.
No, a third.
I'm going to check your shit.
Come on.
There we go.
Sucking down, girl.
Verification.
Jerk. No, Big Daddy. There's all meat in that. There's all meat in
Oh,
that.
that one got big here. I'll
You
get
didn't
it.
eat the meat, dog.
That is all meat in that.
Take the rest of it.
That's some bullshit. Okay, that takes one off. Jennifer, I'm going to need some more light.
Okay.
Hey, now let me look at yours, chicken head. Oh, god damn, look at this.
Oh!
Wow, there's one there, we're even.
You're a jackass.
All right. What do you have any words of wisdom for those who watched you?
You gotta learn how to suck tail if you want to be the fucking champ.